Woohoo! Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again, and today we're going to be talking about I mined crypto for 15 days, and we're going to check out those profits. So stay tuned. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Once again, Johnny Switchblade here, and today we're going to talk about the profits I earned while mining crypto for 15 days. So let's just get right into it, guys. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pull up the old iPad here. So what you're looking at is ethermine.org. Ethermine.org is the pool of graphics cards, or the pool of people that are mining that I joined. I am mining off of one graphics card, 3060 graphics card that I bought from Best Buy. I actually bought an entire computer for, I want to say 18, I think it was like 1800. It was the HP Omen. It has a Ryzen 7 CPU in it and a GeForce RTX 3060 Ti inside graphics card. It's a pretty beast computer. I'm gonna try to give you a couple little clips so you guys can check it out right now. It's water cooled, it's all blacked out, has some lights and all that good stuff. It's super cool. Anyways, I'm going to I bought this because I want to start mining. Started mining. This is just going to be the framework of my first rig. So I'm using this as the base because, you know, you need to buy the CPU, everything else, the power. You need to buy all that stuff anyways when you're building a mining rig. So I decided I would just buy one complete. Since graphics cards are so ridiculous to come by right now, a 3060 graphics card I think was probably going to cost me about like $1,000 anyways. So I just decided to get a whole complete computer, and that's what I did. Got the whole computes, and yeah, it's working out quite nice so far. So like I said, it's water cooled, lights up, does all this cool stuff. So what I had to do was I can post the links down below, but first what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to download some software, the actual algorithm that's going to mine for you on your computer, and you have to which is T-Rex Miner, I believe. You also have to download a list of the pools that you're going to join. So all this comes in I think it's 2 downloads, I believe. I'll put the links down below. And so you download these 2 programs, or one program and one file folder. You have to approve T-Rex Miner to work on your computer, to make changes to computer, because it's going to be running all this software and all this crazy stuff and overworking your computer. So your software, your security software, they're probably going to delete it a couple times. They're going to delete it, and they're going to say, oh, we found this virus trying to attack your computer, nonsense, blah blah blah, whatever. It's annoying, guys. It's very annoying, and you have to do it a couple times, or maybe you only have to do it once. Maybe I was just not doing it right, but you know, I had to turn it off. And then what else did I have to do? Oh, you have to change your wallet address. So you click on, I'm going to make a full tutorial. Of this, because I know, you know, you looking at ethermine.org is not going to tell you anything of what's really going on. So I'm going to make a full tutorial on how to mine from scratch. So look out for that video. So to make a long story short, let's just get right to the stinking payouts. I mined crypto for 15 days using ethermine.org and T-Rex Miner. And so my estimated earnings, let's just jump right into it, is 0.00106 Ethereum per day. Which, after 5 days, well, let me show you actually, because it actually comes out to like 0.005. There you go. My payouts. Let's go down here. Yeah, 0.005 ETH. 0.005 ETH. 0.00501 ETH. So I'm actually getting paid in Polygon. I'm on the Polygon network through Ethermine. Just makes fees. Well, actually, I set it to this because they have two settings. One, you can get paid out in Ethereum, but the threshold is 1 Ether. So you'll be mining and mining and mining and mining and mining and mining and mining. For me, I only have 1 GPU working, so it would take forever for me to mine 1 Ethereum. So this pays you out in Polygon every 0.005 Ethereum, which so far has been like $16 or something like that every 5 days. So what we're going to do here is, actually, I don't have my Polygon wallet connected to my iPad MetaMask. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go ahead and sign in on my phone real quick. Give me one quick second so we can check it out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here we are, guys. Pull up my phone, and here's the Polygon network. So, 15 days so far. I have made $53.97. Which is not bad. Not bad at all. It does come in wrapped Ethereum. Then I also have 2 cents of Matic. Don't know how that got there, but it's there. So yeah, $53.97, guys. We get paid out, 0.005 every 5 days, just about. My second payout took a little while for the 15. I think it was like $16 or something like that. It fluctuates obviously with Ethereum, but took a couple days. It probably took like 8 hours or something like that for some reason. It took a long time for my second payment to go through, which is weird. Started thinking that I did something wrong, because while you're mining, a lot of weird things happen. I'm actually gonna go ahead and gonna turn that off, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and go to my camera on my phone, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like while mining. Oh, let me go ahead and get a little more visuals for you on my computer, because my phone is just so much more clear. There's a water-cooled CPU, my DDR4 drives. There is my graphics card. There's a power source. Whoa, what's going on? Welcome back. And, okay, so you look up there. This is what it looks like while you're mining crypto. This is your computer running the algorithm of mining cryptocurrency. As you can see, a whole bunch of stuff going on. What the heck does all that stuff mean? It means a lot. I'm I'm actually ether mine. It looks like we mine algo. And we get paid out in Ethereum. So all those little green lines are blocks that are being created. Verified. If you look very closely to the white letters, you will see some information. This tells you all the information about what's going on with the miner, what I'm using to mine. My current hash rate is 57.61 megahashes per second. My GPU temperature is at 67. And those are the blocks that I'm verifying. So, that's pretty cool. I also I've overclocked my computer to get a little better performance out of the GPU, out of the computer as a whole. But there's a lot that goes on. I mean, there's a lot that goes on in mining, but it's really not that complex. It's not hard, guys. It's really not. I mean, all you really do is you set up a computer program, and you set up your internet connection, and that's it. You set it and forget it. It's my wife's favorite slogan, set it and forget it. So, I mean, you're not making millions. You're not making a ton of money. But, it's something to add to your portfolio of passive income. The more GPUs you purchase, the more hash rate you're going to get, and the more money you're going to get. I mean, it's, you could duplicate it, and that's what people do. They take these simple rigs, they add GPUs to it, and then they mine, and they make all this money. So, guys, that's going to do it for today. I don't even know what's going on with the dude with, the winner. So I'm going to have to pick another one of you guys to win the Google Nest Mini and the GDT. So comment down below if you want to get involved, if you want to be part of that giveaway, because he hasn't got back to me. Comment down below. Right now, say, I want to be part of the giveaway. So if you don't comment down below, then you're not going to be part of the second giveaway, the re-giveaway, because the guy didn't collect his stuff. So, comment down below, like, subscribe, do all that stuff that we tell you to do, and we will see you again on the next video. Peace!